Cooking just got a whole lot smarter. From mind-blowing tools that save you time to genius gadgets that make your kitchen feel futuristic. Today we're counting down 25 Amazon kitchen finds you wish you discovered sooner. Stick around till the end, because number 25 is a total game changer you won't believe exists. Who said making dumplings has to be tricky? With this manual handheld dumpling maker, you'll fold and seal perfect dumplings in just seconds. Add your favorite filling, press down, and ta-da! Restaurant quality dumplings at home. It's fun, fast, and addictive. And trust me, the gadgets coming up next are even cooler, so don't blink. Say goodbye to messy apple prep with this apple peeler and corer. With just a quick twist, it peels and cores apples in seconds, giving you perfectly prepped slices for pies, snacks, or salads. No more wasted fruit or uneven peeling. Just smooth, effortless results every time. Compact, easy to use, and a total time saver. This gadget is a must-have for every fruit lover and kitchen enthusiast. Tired of scrubbing stubborn oil stains off your kitchen walls and counters? This self-adhesive, oil-proof, heat-resistant aluminum foil is your ultimate kitchen shield. Just peel and stick to instantly protect surfaces from grease, spills, and even high heat. Waterproof and easy to clean, it keeps your kitchen spotless and brand new with zero effort. Say goodbye to messy cleanups and hello to a smarter, stress-free cooking experience. Chopping veggies has never been this quick and effortless. This portable mini chopper saves you time by slicing, dicing, and mincing with just a few pulls. Perfect for garlic, onions, herbs, or even small fruits. It makes meal prep smooth and hassle-free. Compact, lightweight, and easy to clean. This little gadget is your new kitchen lifesaver. Tired of scrubbing stubborn stains off your gas stove? These gas stove burner liners are here to save your time and effort. Designed to catch spills, grease, and splatters, they keep your stove looking spotless with minimal cleaning. Heat-resistant, reusable, and easy to fit. Just place them under the burners and enjoy a cleaner, stress-free cooking experience every day. Say goodbye to messy salt spills. This salt dispenser with a pour spout makes seasoning your dishes effortless and precise. Its sleek design ensures controlled pouring, while the airtight body keeps your salt fresh and clump-free. Perfect for everyday cooking or fine dining at home. This dispenser is a kitchen essential that combines convenience with elegance. Meet your new little kitchen buddy. This crab-shaped spatula holder isn't just adorable, it's super practical too. It grips your spatulas, spoons, or chopsticks firmly, keeping them elevated in your countertop clean. Its playful design adds a splash of fun to your cooking space while making meal prep more hygienic and organized. A perfect mix of cute and functional. Say goodbye to messy garlic chopping. This garlic mincer crushes cloves in seconds, saving time and effort while keeping your hands odor-free. Its efficient design ensures uniform pieces for perfect flavor distribution, making cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable every time. Turn your breakfast into a masterpiece with this egg mold shaper. Whether it's stars, hearts, or fun shapes, it makes every egg look exciting and appetizing. Perfect for kids and adults alike. It turns ordinary mornings into joyful meals full of creativity. Say goodbye to kitchen clutter with this rotating vegetable storage trolley with wheels. Designed with multiple spacious baskets, it keeps your fruits, veggies, and snacks neatly organized and always within reach. The smooth 360 degrees rotation makes it super easy to grab what you need, while the sturdy wheels let you move it around effortlessly. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, or even dining spaces. This trolley combines storage, mobility, and style in one smart solution. Make snack prep effortless with this apple corer tool. Simply press, twist, and pull to remove the core in seconds, leaving you with perfectly clean apple slices. Its sharp stainless steel design ensures smooth coring, while the ergonomic handle gives you a firm grip. Ideal for pies, fruit salads, or quick healthy snacks anytime. Roasting chestnuts just got easier with this chestnut cutter knife. Designed with a sharp, curved blade, it lets you score tough shells quickly and safely without slipping. The ergonomic wooden handle ensures a comfortable grip, making prep effortless. Perfect for chestnuts, nuts, and even shell fruits. This tool turns holiday snacking into pure joy. Say goodbye to the messy struggle of peeling pomegranates with this pomegranate Deseeder tool. Just place half of the fruit inside, cover, and give a few taps. The juicy seeds fall out effortlessly without the mess. No more stained hands or wasted time. It's quick, efficient, and perfect for salads, desserts, or healthy snacking. A must-have for every fruit lover's kitchen. Keep your sink clean and organized with this stainless steel corner sink strainer with drain basket. Designed to fit neatly in the corner, it effectively catches food scraps while allowing water to drain smoothly. The detachable basket makes disposal effortless and cleaning hassle-free. Rust-resistant, durable, and space-saving, it's the perfect kitchen companion for maintaining hygiene and preventing clogged drains. Practical, sleek, and super useful. Say goodbye to messy egg cracking with this eggshell opener tool. With a simple squeeze, it neatly removes the top of boiled or raw eggs without leaving any shell fragments behind. Perfect for making soft-boiled eggs, desserts, or decorative plating. It saves time and keeps your kitchen clean. Compact, durable, and super handy, it's a must-have gadget for every egg lover. Protect your countertops in style with this foldable silicone trivet, heat-resistant and flexible. It keeps hot pots, pans, and dishes safely off your table. When not in use, it folds compactly to save space, making it perfect for modern kitchens. Non-slip, easy to clean, and durable. This trivet is the smart solution for everyday cooking convenience and neat organization. Upgrade your sink with this rotating faucet filter extender that makes washing and cleaning so much easier. With a 360-degree swivel design, it lets you direct the water flow exactly where you need it, preventing splashes and saving water. The built-in filter helps trap impurities, giving you cleaner water for daily use. Easy to install and practical, it's a simple upgrade with a big impact. Transform your kitchen space with this over-the-sink dish drying rack that keeps everything organized and within reach. Designed to sit perfectly above your sink, it holds plates, bowls, cups, and even utensils while allowing water to drip right back, keeping your countertop clean and dry. Its sturdy build saves space, reduces clutter, and adds a modern touch to your kitchen, a perfect blend of function and style. Upgrade your healthy cooking with this stainless steel foldable steamer basket, perfect for steaming veggies, dumplings, or fish. It expands to fit different pot sizes and folds away for easy storage. Durable, rust-resistant, and dishwasher safe. It makes steaming hassle-free while keeping nutrients locked in. Say goodbye to messy countertops with this silicone faucet handle drip catcher tray mat. Designed to wrap neatly around your faucet, it catches excess water and soap drips, keeping your sink area clean and dry. Made of food-grade, heat-resistant silicone, it's easy to wash, durable, and quick to dry. A simple yet smart upgrade that prevents water stains and mold while adding convenience to your kitchen or bathroom. Upgrade your cleaning game with these non-scratch microfiber sponges, designed to tackle grease, grime, and stains. They clean powerfully without ever scratching your cookware, glass, or delicate surfaces. The dual-layer design combines a scrubby side for tough messes and a soft microfiber side for gentle wiping. Plus, they're highly absorbent, quick drying, and reusable, making them eco-friendly and cost-effective. A must-have tool that keeps your kitchen sparkling clean with zero hassle. Make corn on the cob eating easier and mess-free with these corn cob holders. Featuring sturdy stainless steel prongs and non-slip handles, they securely grip your corn while keeping your hands clean from butter and seasonings. Perfect for BBQs, family dinners, or outdoor parties. They add both convenience and fun to your mealtime. Small, handy, and surprisingly useful. Turn wasted space into smart storage with this under-cabinet hanging holder. Simply slide it onto your shelf or cabinet, and instantly create extra room for cups, kitchen tools, or dish towels. No drilling, no hassle, just clever organization at its best. A simple yet genius solution to keep your kitchen neat, tidy, and clutter-free. Meet the 𝐬𝐧𝐭 Maker Bottle, a space-saving twist on traditional trays. Just fill it, freeze, and squeeze to release perfectly shaped cubes in seconds. Its portable design doubles as a bottle, so you can make, store, and serve ice with ease. Perfect for home, parties, or travel. Keeping your drinks chilled has never been this smart. Chop, slice, and dice without the mess. This cutting board with a sliding tray makes kitchen prep smarter and cleaner. Simply push your chopped veggies, fruits, or meat into the detachable tray while keeping your board clear for the next task. No more clutter, no more mixing, just efficient, organized cooking. A must-have for every modern kitchen. Cooking juicy, flavorful meat just got easier. This meat tenderizer tool breaks down tough fibers, making your steaks, chicken, or lamb softer and tastier in minutes. With sharp blades and an easy grip handle, it lets marinades soak in faster, giving you restaurant-quality results right at home. Say goodbye to chewy bites and hello to perfectly tender meals every time. Upgrade your cooking game with this electric gas stove burner, a compact yet powerful kitchen essential. Designed for fast and even heating, it's perfect for boiling, frying, simmering, or whipping up quick meals on the go. Its sleek design fits easily into small kitchens, dorms, or travel setups, while the easy-to-clean surface saves you time. Whether it's daily cooking or an emergency backup, this stove burner is all about convenience, speed, and efficiency. Keep your kitchen neat and stylish with this rotating kitchen utensils holder. Designed with a smooth 360-degree spin, it lets you grab spoons, spatulas, or ladles in seconds without digging through cluttered drawers. Its sturdy build and spacious design make it perfect for both small and large kitchens. A sleek organizer that combines functionality with convenience, helping you cook smarter and faster every day. Say goodbye to endless chopping and slicing with this 4-in-1 handheld electric vegetable chopper. Compact yet powerful, it not only chops veggies in seconds but also minces garlic, whisks eggs, and even blends sauces effortlessly. Its one-touch operation and USB rechargeable design make it super convenient for everyday cooking. Perfect for busy kitchens, this multitasking gadget saves you time, effort, and space while delivering perfectly prepped ingredients at the press of a button. Upgrade your kitchen to a whole new level of luxury with this smart Waterfall kitchen sink. Designed with modern innovation, it features a sleek waterfall faucet that distributes water evenly, making washing fruits, veggies, and dishes a breeze. Many come with multifunctional accessories like cutting boards, strainers, and racks that fit right on top, turning your sink into a complete workstation. Built from durable stainless steel, it's not just stylish but also highly practical, saving time and space while giving your kitchen a premium, high-tech touch. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these 25 genius Amazon kitchen gadgets, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing finds every week. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your kitchen always be as smart as your gadgets.